2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, security system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, trip computer, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.